Are you tired of endless email chains and confusing written explanations when collaborating on Trello? Loom and Trello can boost your teamwork, so in this video, I'll show you how to integrate Loom into Trello to make teamwork and communication easier. First, open the Trello board where you want to add the Loom integration, then click on the Power-Ups button in the board's menu. This will open the Power-Ups directory. Next, in the Power-Ups directory, use the search bar to find Loom, type Loom, and you should see the Loom Power-Up appear in the search results. Now, click on the Loom Power-Up to open its page. Here, you'll see a description of the integration and its benefits. Click the Add Power-Up button to add Loom to your Trello board. A window will pop up asking you to authorize the connection between Loom and Trello. Click Authorize and follow the prompts to connect your Loom account. If you are not signed into Loom, it will ask you to sign in at this point, so go ahead and sign in. Once authorized, go back to your Trello board and open any card. You'll now see a Loom icon available, where you can create and attach a new Loom video directly to the card. Click the Loom icon, record your video, and it will automatically be attached to the Trello card, making it super easy to share updates and give feedback visually. And that's it. Now you can easily embed Loom videos directly into your Trello cards for clearer, faster communication. This will definitely enhance collaboration and productivity for your team.